Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Spreadsheet Edits. Okay, so today's topic will be the Excel formula series as well. So this topic will be the index match, the combinations of the index match. So for this video, right, I will not cover the index purpose and match purpose separately. Instead, I will cover it in overall. Okay, so but for the basic formulas, right, I still need to explain. Okay, let's say in the index over here, so you see the array, row number, column number. Okay, so this one, for this array, right, basically is the return column. Row number, okay, this one later on will be replaced by the match. That's why I didn't display anything here. And the column number is optional. Okay, so this one, if I'm talking about this index match, right, replacing the VLOOKUP limitations, which VLOOKUP must be, the lookup value must be always the leftmost, and then from left look to right. For this index match, right, there's no limitations. It can be looked from middle to right or left, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see on the match. So for the match, basically you see the lookup value is the reference cell, which is equivalent to the lookup value under the VLOOKUP. For lookup arrays, this is the range of cell, but it's a column, one column only. It's not multiple column compared to the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is like the multiple column and then the index number, which I show you how to calculate it. Over here doesn't need it. And the match type, which is the range lookup. So from here, right, okay, match basically is we put 0 to get the exact match. So when we come to the formula, okay, for index match, right, so it's become like this. So index and then return column, and we replace the row number with the match, and then the column number is empty, optional. Then we just use the array and row number. So from here, right, you see there's side changes over here. The return column, which is the column we want to return. Okay, it can be any column. Let's say the reference cell, okay, reference column is here. You want to return the column A, any values, it also can return, or even column J, without specify which number of the tables. Like how to calculate all these things. Okay, so then you see the lookup values. Lookup value, as say, is the reference cell, which I mentioned earlier in the VLOOKUP, and also the lookup columns. So I'm using the same examples over here, as you can see over here. Okay, so like this one is using VLOOKUP, right? This is VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP. Now this one is index match. But this one's, right, basically the asking is here. If I put over here, I also can return the same things as well. So I add one more column to here, name 1. So I'm going to copy all these things and paste back here. Okay, so returning the same things. I'm using the same one also, but this time index. Still remember what is this one? So this is the return column. So when I'm talking about the gender over here, so I just need to put like this. Of course, this one, okay, because this is the tables, right? You can use the table attribute, or you can use the static cell like C2 and then C10. Of course, you need to convert it to absolute reference, and then it's like here C2 and then F4 again, and this is the return value, return column, not return value. So lookup. Okay, so we look up from here. Okay, then the next one, lookup arrays. I can look from here. Okay, F2 to F10. And the next one will be 0, close bracket, and of course, when anything's looking for this range, right, you need to make it as a actual reference. Okay, so that's all. And when I enter, it actually return the same things. You see, now I'm looking from column F towards column C, and I also can change this one, right, to column A. It also will return the same thing as well. Okay, that's it. So that's all for the index match. For this purpose of the videos, right, these videos basically just show you simple things. The multiple criteria will be continued in the next video for the index match. So that's all for today. See you.